like a paradigm shift in economics. And what I find fascinating with John Nash's formula was it was really a metaphor. It was actually an analogy. Metaphors and analogies are they're dichotomy, they're mutually exclusive. All of both terms are used interchangeably. Metaphors is basically finding commonalities between different forms of existence. And analogies is also finding commonalities between different forms of existence, but analogies is where we correspond the commonalities between these different forms of existence. Like one example is when Romeo says Juliet is like the sun. That's a metaphor. So why is Juliet like the sun? Why does Romeo posit that Juliet is like the sun? Because she radiates. She has a beaming smile. She has a radiant smile. She beams. She illuminates. So that's the analogy. Analogy is where metaphors is what we correlate something to or correspond something to. An analogy is where we find the collection of commonalities. Nash, the whole idea, Nash equilibrium, for John Nash, governing dynamics, so game theory used in economics basically, was really a metaphor. He extracted from a bar scene between him and his colleagues. So there were multiple girls.